Hello everybody, my name is BDF Origin and welcome to our brand new LEGO Alt MOC series. This is 42149's Dragon from 2022's Monster Jam series, and it is the focal point, the focus of our latest MOC series. Our first conversion coming in is a 179-piece motorbike. This is a lovely looking set and it looks very fun and very simple. Now additionally, you can put a chain on this, but obviously this set does not come with a chain. It's from sets like 42132 or 42130. You grab the chain, put it on. But we ain't doing that today. Let's strip Dragon apart, put the pieces in our recording tabs and get to our first conversion for this set, the motorbike. Enjoy the build. Here's a full and complete build for LEGO product 42149, Technic's Dragon MOC motorbike conversion. I like it. Took about 35 to 40 minutes to build. Very simple indeed. Sticker placement could have been better with these two, but oh well. I committed. It is what it is. Big fan of the red at the bottom for the exhaust, I believe this is. Very cool indeed. I'm a big fan of it. It doesn't turn, unfortunately. The handlebars do move a little bit, but they don't actually turn the wheel. But that's fine. It's only a small 170-piece bike. Both wheels move. The bike moves lovely as you'd expect. set. This is the non-pullback version. You can add a pullback via some chain pieces. Overall, a lovely start to this set, and yeah, I think it's pretty nice. The green's very striking on Dragon. I'm a very big fan of the sticks. A lot of people don't actually like the original set for Dragon. I think it's quite nice. Very simple, straight to the point, and there's some lovely sets we made out of it, and this is the first of quite a few. If you enjoyed the build, make sure you do leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Would you buy the original set? Would you build the MOC? How do you feel about it? Personally, again, I think it's a very nice set. This is very cool. Doesn't take too long to build, and you get a lovely result. Very fun build indeed. On to the next 42149 conversion. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.